I know. 100%. Which lane are you in? 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 Which lane? Watch out, mate. It's green light. Jesus Christ. That's what you have to watch out in London. Sorry I shouted, I mean it was instant knee-jerk reaction there, shouting at him. Stressful, mate. People darting across the street all the time in London. Yo. It was I who the dragon, the lion and the flew. What? What? What just happened? What? 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 Shit. What are you up to? What? 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 What are you up to? What? What are you up to? Ooh! That was close. That was close! Nice. Nice. Or you. Don't. You right there? Unlimited power. What? What? Middle of the street. There's a person in the middle of the street. Whoa. Don't just stop. Okay. Alright, yeah, just yeah. Whoa,
Other ideas?
This guy.
That is how you do it.
He's like off-roading his way to work and you see the head go up with a traffic light.
That was an interesting move. I've never seen anyone do that on a roundabout.
Yeah, I saw that.
Wow, that's a new one.
What are you? Left or right, mate? Left or right? Left or right? What are you up to? Oh. Don't. Don't put that in front of me as well. Jeez. I've been waiting. There's a pedestrian, there's a pedestrian. There's a pedestrian, there's a pedestrian. What are you up to? What are you up to? What a... No. Nice one, mate. Nice one. Whoa! Me. She heard me scream. Thought about it. Whoa, jeez. Oh, I hate that. No. No, no. Jesus. What's he doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? What are you doing? No, 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 no. Whoa, don't put that in front of Jess! Don't put that in front of me, don't put that in front of me. Don't pull out in front of me. Oh my god. Don't. You alright? You right there? Looking behind me. Thought he was going to turn randomly. This is the worst turning. Whoa, jeez, whoa. Oh my god. Humphrey, brother. Oh my god. I literally thought I was about to watch you crash. Like, what is the point in that as well? London is mental, man. Why is it overtaking on a high street? He's literally overtaking. I literally thought I was about to watch you crash.